Hello, my dear students. Today is 5th June, the World Environment Day, also known as Eco Day or Environment Day, which is celebrated under the United Nations Environment Programme to spread awareness about the importance of the environment and why we need to protect the nature for a better life. So, to mark this day and aware people about the deteriorating condition of the nature and to encourage them to take positive steps toward maintaining a greener and healthier environment, here I am to present a small video on this day. Hope all of you will like the video. We should remember Mahatma Gandhi's words. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Our planet's alarm is going off, and it is time to wake up and take action. The World Environment Day will keep us reminding of the wrong we did to our environment and right we need to do to correct it all. So students, today let us take a promise to save our environment, to give our coming generations a healthier and happier environment, to have a beautiful life. Best wishes on World Environment Day. Stay safe, stay at home and stay healthy. Thank you.